Hey guys, we're here to install the pump on our pool. It's a Summer Waves pool. We got the pool actually at Big Lots for like $250, and it's an 18-footer by 48. So I haven't looked at the instructions, but this is really pretty self-explanatory. It's got a large ring that goes on the inside, and you've got your gasket here to keep it watertight. It's got its own little flapper, and you slide the top off, move the flapper, you pull this out, and there's your filter. This filter can be washed with a hose and then put back in. The reason I know that is I used to own a water softener company, and you'll see on my page, on my channel, there's a bunch of other water softener videos. And then I'll put a link in the bottom for these filters. Do not buy them at your big box stores because they're very expensive, like $35 a piece. And I think we found these as cheap as $6 on Amazon. So, and then you can see it just goes down through the bottom and will come out right here. Also, I'm an Amazon affiliate, so anything you buy from Amazon, I get a small commission for it. I don't know if I'd recommend buying the, oops, that wasn't smart. You can buy the pool on Amazon, but that same pool, once you turn it over there and let them see how big the pool is. It's Summer Waves, and it's an elite pool frame. That pool's a few $100s on Amazon. When I say a few hundred, it's $450 or more, I think. I can't remember now, but my wife stumbled across it at Big Lots. Go her, right? So, it also comes with these parts, a little tiny hose, and the connectors that we'll see in a few minutes. And they're pretty simple to put together. It's a no-brainer, but the book's got instructions, and then some clamps that you don't need tools for. And what I thought was super duper awesome is it's actually got a cord long enough to keep your electrical outlet away from the pool, and it's got a GFI on it as well. So that's the thing that I really like about it. It tells you to place your pool, I think, 20 feet away from an outlet, so you don't have to worry about electrical shock. So let's stick this in there. The one thing I'm not so sure about is all the weight from this on this part of the pool, even though it's reinforced, is a little nerving or unnerving, because I'm afraid it will tear the pool. And then we take these hoses, and I'm probably gonna end up hard plumbing this with PVC. It's okay. Nope. There we go. You just got to pinch these up top together to get your screws started. The good thing about this is not a lot of pressure, water pressure. It just shoots right, goes through there and then comes right out here. And so we've got, I don't need that part. We need this part off. So this will go in through here. It's got a washer type outside. And then It's got the rubber gasket to prevent it from leaking. Oops. And then on the inside, you can see how this allows it to turn so you can face it towards the ground. It's about as tight as I can get that. And then you just screw this in. Hey son, go get the pull the orange extension cord out here as far as it can come, please.
Yes, sir, Dad.
Thank you.
Unplug the fan too?
Unplug the fan and then bring the orange extension cord.
Ow. This is how far I can go.
Okay, that's fine. Just leave it right there, please. Got all these projects going on. They're getting ready to re-roof the house, and I have a video about how I built the porch. So we're not completely done with it yet. It also comes with 3 extra pieces. I don't know why it came in here, but these are the pins that fit in there. They've got a little rubber gasket top to help hold it down, I guess. And then this right here naturally would go inside here for your pins. I thought I was going to have to hardwire the pump, but evidently not, so I'll have to bury this or something, do something to get it over towards the porch. What I'm going to do is, since it's not full yet, and you don't want to run your pumps dry, well, don't do that. Let me see what the problem is. I was going to try and show you how it works, but that flapper is getting in the way. And that'll be fine, I guess. Okay, if you want to put that over the top, please. As you can see, water goes in it, and it's coming out down here. And I'm sure the pump is going to be a little quieter once it gets a lot of water in it. Somehow my wife But anyways, that's that installation, simple and easy. And if it leaks, just gonna have to tighten some things or maybe readjust it. But with that rubber gaskets, there's no worry for it. Ivan, come here. What did you have to tell them?
Subscribe and put a thumbs up, and we have to hit 1,050 likes.
1,050 likes, that'd be nice, I guess, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped. If you need to ask any questions, please do so in the comments. Have a great day.